Good morning, good morning. So it's Sunday today, and I've been, I guess, I'm working the weekend so I can catch up. I'm underwater again. Worked yesterday and was hoping I can catch up a lot. I only got 2 jobs done, got my butt handed to me. It was one problem after another, you know, what's new. So I already finished the job today. I was gonna show you guys, but it was just, I just put a PVC board under a kitchen cabinet. Not a kitchen cabinet, but a bathroom cabinet. Should have showed you there was a leak in the shower, and it's ruining all the MDF shoe molding around the bathroom. Should have recorded, I don't know why I didn't. But, so they're gonna have to regrout. Actually, they should have probably siliconed it. So I sent that in to the property manager. They can decide what they want to do. You know, that's why you should always silicone the corners and then around the bottom for settling. You can actually see like a little gap. You can actually see the back of the wall. I'm pretty excited right now since I got the vinyl put on my truck. I had to wait for a while just because the weather. You need a minimum of 40 degrees to put it on. I'll show you guys once I get out of the truck, once I get there. The first time I got vinyl put on my truck, it was on the Colorado. I had them put it on the doors and on the cap and also in the back. Back then, that was probably about 3 or so years ago. That was like 500 bucks. Now to get this vinyl put on, it was $1,200. Small price to pay to look professional, or to be professional. Same thing, right? So right now I'm going to a property manager job, and this is for some blinds. This is a vacant unit. There's 5 broken blinds, so I have to replace them. Most likely they're going to be the cheap blinds. I usually just match what's there. So if they have faux or fox blinds, however you pronounce that, I'll just match it. And then I have a feeling it's just those cheap blinds, which I'm a fan of. I don't know, I love those Menards cheap blinds. I put them in my rental, my last turn. Those faux blinds are really expensive. I mean, maybe not just one, you know, it's 50 bucks or so. It could be 50 to 70. And but if you're putting like 5 of those things up, it gets pricey really fast. Plus, you gotta charge labor. You know, especially if they're just gonna ruin them. Not every tenant, but you'd be surprised. You'd be surprised. But I'll get you guys some shots. Okay, so here's the truck. I really like how they got. I told them I wanted it big and gaudy, but not too gaudy. I really think they nailed it. I know they nailed it because I'm really happy. It gets to the point. You tell them a handyman, so when I'm like driving to the gas station, they'll stop me or whatever. I'm driving on the road, they'll see me. Here's the back of it. And then the side. They had to offset the numbers a little bit for the puck. You can see right here. This did an awesome job. Really happy. Nailed it. Okay. So I got the blinds. I measured them out. And here, I'll give an example. So all I did was measured it it says 26 and a half. So I got it 27 by, I'm measuring the other side right now, it's about 56 inch. So when you get, so I said 27 because it actually measures out, it'll say on the box, it'll be 26 and a half. I think they differ from blind to blind, wherever you want to buy them, I don't know. So another thing I paid attention to was that it has metal clips. I know Menards has the plastic clips. So I'm trying to get the same one. So it'll make my life easier. We'll see. We'll see if it works. So those two, we gotta replace. These two. And then, actually I said 5, but it's really 6. And then that one. And that one. And so let's hope for the best. Okay. How do I get these things up? Okay. Yeah, they're supposed to just go straight up. Should go straight up. And they're not working. So I gotta press this clip at the bottom. And press this clip right here. And that's one. That was a 27 incher. Right here. Okay. Oh, I forgot. I don't even need a knife for this one. Just open the end of the box. And I opened the wrong end because that's actually supposed to, the hardware's on the other end. I don't like how they glue this in right here, but to each their own. Those have metal clips. So I tried to pre-open it to make sure I had the right ones. Well, let's see if I'm doing this right. We'll see if it's the same. A little different, I think. Wow. So close. It's okay though. Not a big deal. Okay, so when I was putting this up here, I realized it was going to start running into the mechanisms right here. So I'm just going to move this over a dot. I just use one of the holes. And I should just start with the, I should start with that one. That's probably what I'm going to do so I don't screw myself. Because if I move it too far, they should measure out perfect. But I want to get them all lined up. Whatever. Whatever. get this garbage bag going. A lot of garbage. Okay. Same thing, press. There's the hardware. Huh. Drill hole here. Oh, nice little stencil, little template they got for you. So we're doing the same thing. Just want to see if it's gonna fall in the mechanism way, which is we're good. Drill, drill, drill. Where is the drill? This thing should be labeled. Really, we can leave this stuff. We don't even need this. But it makes it clear, so it makes it nice. Okay, that says top. Barely see it. Yeah, I think it's bit shot too. Keep running through all these Ryobi bits, because that's what you get for cheap bits, which I'm okay with. They give me like 5 of them for $2. Then I got the holder. I really bought it for the holder. Beautiful. Take these off. If I can get it. There we go. I'm not a big fan of blinds because you always have to go there, get measurements, and if you're cutting them, if you're getting the good ones and you're cutting them, you better make sure your measurements are right because that's it. That's it. One and done. Try returning those because you're not going to be able to. So this one we're going to have to offset. Come on, tape. Wow. Good stuff right there. I'm just leaving it on. We're going to offset it one screw hole. Come on. There we go. Hands are shaking. There's so many brackets everywhere now. Hopefully I'm not going to get mixed up. I'm going to laugh. There we go. Oh, I did that wrong. Supposed to go in and then down. Perfect. Well, that's not lined up now, so I gotta pick these up. Beautiful. Luckily there's clearance. So I have to drill right above it pretty much. I have to put some tape on these. Definitely not the right bit, that's for sure. That is for sure. So I got these up. I had to adjust the left brackets also. Where's this other stick at? Okay. Pull these things down. Cool. Actually, with the Fox blinds, I think I bought them once. Not, I think I know. They had the string twisted, and I was like, "What is going on?" And luckily, I was able to take it apart and then fix it, because, or else I was screwed, or else I would have to go back to the store again to swap it out. But I was able to fix it. Okay, so now, oh, this is going the wrong way. There we go. So that's that. These are the 35.5, so I'm using 36. Oh yeah, looks like they're Home Depot blinds, so they should line up. We'll see. We'll find out. Make sure you get that little turning thing in the front. Nope, it's not gonna work on those. Guess one out of two is good. Maybe hit it over the top. So we're going to switch these brackets out because they're plastic. Oh, actually, looking at that, doesn't even cover the window on that side. So I got to bring that back over. I was purposely hitting the center of it. Well, that's not going to work. Yeah, this is not even wood. That's vinyl. Or PVC, whatever you want to call it. Gotta mark it so I don't hit my mechanisms. Which is gonna be this one. Make that nice and dark. And then this one. Reuse those holes. Okay, so that's 4. Okay, so here's the one in the room. Oops, cut that out. That'd be awesome. Are these gonna line up? I don't think they're gonna. I don't think they're gonna. So I had to cut the video off. Well, I didn't really have to, but the property manager showed up. And I just finished the rest of the blinds. You guys already seen how they go up. It wasn't too bad. I still had to screw in the brackets. But yeah, I think there's a decent amount of money in blinds, especially if you have the right system. Yeah, I'm all pre-measured up, put it up there, boom, boom, boom. Make sure you had the right tools. My bits, they're not really right. It's just, I don't do it too often. And now all of a sudden, it just seems like I've been doing blinds left and right, but it's not, I don't really care enough to get some, I don't know, I'm sure you can have, you know, there's different bits for it to make life easier. But other than that, that's a wrap.